good. Oh, my head. Oh, I'm getting a vision right now.
These noodles look so good. Spicy ramen noodles. Oh yeah. You can get them at Super H Mart, by the way. Forget these noodles. I'm not here to have a victory meal. I'm here to overtake, overturn, to rain despair upon all of you. For I am evil itself. Now I'm gonna run Jesus out of this town and take it over for myself.
Oh no! What is this I have seen? I must tell Jesus. Jesus, my Lord, what is that? I must tell you something. I've seen a vision where Mr. Evil Guy, he wishes to drive you out of town. Not only you, he wishes to drive all the faith and happiness and kindness you have blessed us with.
Fear not, Elijah, for Mr. Evil can do no such thing. The power of faith resides in men, and we only through that faith can we overcome all. But there are a few heroes that I would like for you to gather for you. You see, Mr. Evil will come with a power so unimaginable. But our Father in heaven is much greater and much stronger than any of Mr. Evil's minions or himself. So please, go and seek out David, the master of weapons.
Slingshot power!
Moses, magic there. Noah, the animal's ability user. Thunder power! And Deborah, the mighty warrior.
My Lord, who are these people you speak of?
They are heroes of God, and we too must serve our Father with character.
Then I will seek them at once.
Whoa! Who is this? King David will kill you, hurt you guys. I run out. Oh no!
They're so cute. I didn't even know they were.
What is this darkness? This darkness I feel yelling at me. David, it is you. What has happened? What? Who are you? Who are you? No!
No! I came too late. No, David. Bryce. What has happened? You've been ambushed by the evil minions.
What is this?
Come. I need you to come with me. We're joining an army against the evil minions. I will explain to you on the way.
Okay.
You shall take an arrow to the knee.
Daniel, on your right!
No, stay away. What? I hear you. What? There's too many. Did not tell you they were on your left.
No! Are you okay? Rise!
Come on, get up. He will come to us when the time is right.
Elijah! It's Jesus! Thank you, Elijah, for bringing these heroes together. Now we must train. We must train through fasting and prayer.
Then let us fast and pray.
We must hurry! We're gonna be late! Come on, come
The
on!
training is complete, but by the time we get there, there will be nothing left. Do not lose faith. It is not lost if there's one thing. We must move onwards. You warriors must leave without me. I must go speak to my father.
Away we must go.
Charge! Now it is time for you to face true despair. Attack my minions! Get him! Go! Get him! You cannot stop me. My power is unstoppable. It is beyond your imagination.
No, Mr. Evil, your time here has run out. We will release your grip of hopelessness upon this town. They will no longer be held by your desires.
You're all fools. Just fools just to trust Jesus, because I have my despair upon you. Enough! I'm sick and tired of this. I will trust in my king as he has trusted me. I, these sons of arrows, shall pierce you with this arrow! Have a taste of the flames of hell!
It is over, Miss Evil. Look at you, basking in your defeat. You see, fear and despair are your strengths. Faith and hope are light, and stronger than any darkness. It is over. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
No! It is not over yet! My minions! Get them!
Oh no! Purify! Purify! Holy!
No! How is this possible?
Run!
Why, after I have rid you of your hope and all the despair that I brought upon you, why did you return, Jesus?
If there's despair, I will be there. If there's fear, I will be there. My love is greater than anything else in this world. It is you, Mr. Evil, who will be defeated. The light will always shine.